So 25th question is integral of 1 by cos square x into 1 minus tan x the whole square. So observe, whenever you have tan x, right? The idea is most probably you will have secant square x around it. So how do we get the idea here is 1 by cos square x can be written as secant square x, and the question will get converted as secant square x divided by 1 minus tan x the whole square, correct? So 1 by cos square x is secant square x divided by 1 minus tan x the whole square. So if I substitute 1 minus tan x as t, we know that the derivative of tan x is secant square x. Hence, we will be able to proceed. So that's the idea for this problem. So the question is integral of secant square x the whole divided by 1 minus tan x the whole square times dx. So if I substitute 1 minus tan x as t, differentiating on both sides, we get 0 minus secant square x dx is equal to dt, which implies secant square x dx is equal to negative of dt. So secant square x dx is negative of dt. So numerator is minus dt, the whole divided by 1 minus tan x can be replaced with t. So minus dt divided by t square. Now the integral of minus 1 by t square is going to be 1 by t, and you have a c here. So 1 by t plus c. So 1 divided by, what is the value of t? It is 1 minus tan x plus c. So the reason why the integral of minus 1 by t square is 1 by t is, we know that the derivative of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. So the integral of minus 1 by t square will be 1 by t. That's the idea. So I took it from there and put it here. So the final answer would be 1 divided by 1 minus tan x plus c.